Welcome to our channel, subscribe and hit the like button. The Toyota Fortuner TRD is a special variant of the Toyota Fortuner, a popular mid-size SUV produced by the Japanese automaker Toyota. The Fortuner TRD is designed to offer a sportier and more aggressive appearance, enhanced performance, and additional features compared to the standard Fortuner model. The TRD in Toyota Fortuner TRD stands for Toyota Racing Development, which is Toyota's in-house tuning division known for producing performance-oriented variants of their vehicles. TRD models typically feature aesthetic upgrades, improved handling, and sometimes enhanced engine performance. In terms of exterior design, the Toyota Fortuner TRD boasts a distinctive and sporty appearance. It often features a unique body kit that includes a front bumper with integrated LED fog lights, a prominent front grille, side skirts, a rear spoiler, and redesigned bumpers. These modifications give the Fortuner TRD a more aggressive and aerodynamic look compared to the standard model. The interior of the Fortuner TRD may also receive certain enhancements contribute to a more premium and sport-focused cabin experience. Performance-wise, the Fortuner TRD may feature enhancements to the suspension system, including stiffer springs and tuned dampers, resulting in improved handling and more engaging driving experience. However, it's important to note that the specific performance upgrades may vary depending on the region and model year. It's worth mentioning that the Toyota Fortuner TRD typically retains the same engine options as the standard Fortuner model. Depending on the market, engine choices may include gasoline and diesel options, with various power outputs and transmission options available.